ever felt completely played? Like she's inside your head, twisting everything, and you don't even see it coming? Most men never do. Today, I'm exposing 9 dark psychology tricks women use to control men. Tricks nobody talks about openly. And trick number 4? It's the most dangerous one. When you spot it, run. Don't walk. Run. Stay until the end. This could save you years of pain. Let's get straight into it. No fluff. Trick 1. Love bombing. She floods you with attention, compliments, affection right from the start. Texts all day. You're perfect. I've never felt this way. Feels amazing. You're hooked fast. Then suddenly it stops. Cold. You're left chasing that high, doing anything to get it back. You feel desperate, weak, confused. That's the point. Trick 2. Future faking. She paints perfect pictures of your life together. We'll move in. Kids. Forever. All talk, no action. You invest time, money, emotion into a future that never comes. You feel stupid when it falls apart. Like you wasted everything on a lie. Trick 3. Gaslighting. She makes you doubt your own memory. You're overreacting. That never happened. You're crazy. You start questioning reality. You feel unstable, lost, like you can't trust your own mind anymore. Trick 4. Triangulation. This is the worst. She brings a third person into the mix. An ex, a friend, some guy who's just orbiting. She mentions him casually, compares you, lets you know he's still around. Your jealousy spikes. You compete harder, buy more, try more. You feel insecure, small, replaceable. That's exactly what she wants. Total control. If you see this, run! It only gets worse. Trick 5. The silent treatment. She goes cold, ignores texts. Days of nothing. No explanation. You panic, apologize for things you didn't do. You feel anxious, obsessed, checking your phone every minute. She trained you to behave for scraps of attention. Trick 6. Playing the victim. Everything is somehow your fault. Her bad mood, you caused it. Her mistakes, you triggered her. You end up comforting her for hurting you. You feel guilty even when you did nothing wrong. Trick 7. Jealousy induction. She posts stories with other guys, likes their comments, harmless flirting in front of you. You get possessive, angry, prove you're better. You feel on edge, insecure, always watching. Trick 8. Intermittent reinforcement. Hot one day, ice cold the next. Random affection mixed with distance. Keeps you addicted, like a slot machine. You feel hopeful every time she throws you a crumb. Always waiting for the next hit. Trick 9. Hoovering. You finally try to leave. Suddenly she's back. Tears, promises, I'll change. Pulls you right back in. You feel relieved, hopeful again. Then the cycle repeats, worse than before. These 9 tricks work because they hit your emotions hard. Most men never see them coming. They lose years, money, self-respect. But here's the shield. Stoicism. Don't get angry. Don't chase. Don't beg. Stay calm. Observe. Ask yourself, what can I actually control here? Only your actions, your reactions, your boundaries. Detach. Her games only work if you play. Refuse to play. Build your own frame, your own life. When she pushes, you stand still. When she pulls, you don't move. That's real power. That's freedom. If this hit hard, drop a like. Comment which trick you've seen the most. Subscribe for more dark truth and stoic armor. Protect yourself out there. See you in the next one.